will enhance the value of your building, adding exceptional worth to it. Index Global is a specialized manufacturer of interior and exterior wall finishing materials, flooring, and waterproofing repellent, focusing on R&D and development in these areas. We are creating a pleasant and clean residential culture by producing high-quality stone coating paints and multicolor paints using eco-friendly materials. We also manufacture external wall finishing materials that can express various textures on the exterior of buildings. Our interior wall finishing materials are used for common interior walls in various buildings, enhancing the luxurious atmosphere. An eco-friendly product that penetrates deep into concrete, reinforcing the surface and providing a glossy finish over time. We offer eco-friendly water-based floor finishing materials suitable for supermarkets, parking lots, and studios. Easy and convenient for self-construction. It forms a transparent waterproof layer to prevent leaks. It penetrates deeply into the concrete and tile joints to fill voids to stop leaks. Construction adhesives made from special acrylic resin. We primarily produce foundational materials used before installing interior and exterior finishing materials. Index Global's products are known for their strong adhesion to surfaces and high resistance to external contamination, discoloration, and fading. Additionally, it demonstrates excellent fire resistance and superior water resistance. By using eco-friendly materials to create cutting-edge products, Index Global has obtained UL certification from the United States and GOST certification from Russia, holding numerous patents in the process. We promise to lead the architectural culture globally through continuous innovation and reliable supply of eco-friendly products in the construction industry.